So you guys probably already know I work at Ancestry and I lead a research team. So I manage people, but I also manage sometimes research itself. I think at the moment I have 45 sessions I'm personally managing. Those sessions are all over the French, Spanish, Creole, and Portuguese speaking worlds, both in the Americas as well as in Europe. Anyways, one of the resources that we use on a typical basis for genealogical research is DNA. I don't spend too much time on ethnicity, ancestral origins when I'm conducting genealogical research. I pretty much just look at it to see if it more or less mirrors what the client's tree has. Anyways, one of the things I wanted to show you guys today is 7 or 8 different ancestral origins, ethnicity maps, because I want you guys to see what we see on a typical basis with our clients. These that I'm going to show you guys actually are not from clients. These are from friends and family. All right, so the first one is for someone who's Louisiana Creole, who descends from free people of color and slaves further back. This is for someone who's Adaiseño. So Los Adayes is a region in northwest Louisiana, a historic region. It used to be a Spanish mission. It was the first capital of colonial Texas, if I'm not mistaken, or second capital. And it was located right across from Natchitoches. So a lot of the families on the French side, Natchitoches, intermarried with families on the Spanish side in Los Adayes. And so you get people with a mixture. And these are the average results I typically see with folks who are from these populations. This is someone who's half Salvi, half Mexican. So you see more or less the same populations. Dominican, so you see Native American from Peru, but also from Cuba, so the Caribbean. You see Central Africa, West Africa, North Africa, Southern Europe, as well as Eastern Europe. This one's for Cuba, so you can see more or less the same thing with the oddball China there. Again, when you guys see that China, very often that is via Native Americans. Average Mexican results, Native American, Central Africa, West Africa, North Africa, Southern Europe, and again, Northeastern Europe. Typical New Mexican results, Native Americans, but you see much more representation in terms of Native Americans all the way to the south of South America and all the way to the north of North America, Northern Africa, West Africa, Senegal. We see this all the time in the records in New Mexico, but also, look, basically the same populations as we've seen for Europe. So, did you guys notice the patterns? There's some clear patterns here. Do you see them? Did you see them? Scroll back if you need to. I want to see if you guys notice this.